talk about cloud solutions for backing up your photos. I found the best one is Amazon Photos. If you're already a Prime member, you're already paying for the service, so you might as well use it. You have unlimited photo uploads, and you can even upload RAW files. Plus, I really like the software. They give you cool little features like images that you've taken in past years, and they give you great ways to search for your photos. I have over 100,000 photos on this cloud service, and so far I'm liking it quite a bit. When I use my smartphone, of course, it will upload directly from the camera roll right to Amazon Photos, just like it would with many other cloud services. Then, if I want to, I can delete them from my phone because that would give me more space on my phone, and yet my photos are still safely backed up in the cloud. Now, if I'm shooting with my mirrorless camera or with my DSLR, all I have to do is just set a drive, a hard drive, to be synced to this cloud service. When I get home, I just unload my photos onto that drive, and they will automatically sync to Amazon Photos, even if they're RAW files and it's not compressed. So just be careful if you look for a cloud service. Some of them won't let you upload RAW files, and some of them will compress your file. And you don't want either of those things. The only drawback I can see to this service, and it's really not a drawback because everybody charges you more for video. If you do want to upload videos to it, they will give you, I think, 5 gigabytes. And if you need more space than that, which you probably will because videos are large, you do have to pay extra for extra video storage. But in this case, I'm mainly looking for it to be a photo backup. And for that, it works great. In fact, the best feature I like about it is when I put my photos from my DSLR or from my mirrorless camera onto the cloud, if I don't have time to edit them at home, I can pull them up on my phone, get them off the cloud service, and use Lightroom Mobile and edit them right from the cloud. I find it's a great solution, and I'd like to take you over to the software now and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now I'd like to show you the app, Amazon Prime Photos. It's got some nice little features, like it'll tell you on this day in history what photos that you've taken. So when you click on that, it'll make a little video for you. It'll make a little photo collage based on whatever photos you have taken on that day. And it's kind of fun to look at. If you have a lot of photos on here from years past, it's very interesting. Another great feature of this software is, of course, that it lets you upload unlimited amount of photos. I have over 100,000 photos on here right now. And you can upload RAW files, not just JPEG files. And more importantly, they don't compress the file, so you're getting, your backup is 100% quality, and that's really important. The other thing that's cool is because if you start uploading a lot of files to here, you're going to want to have a way to find your files. So if you click on these little sliders, you can see that they have different ways of categorizing your files. You can separate them by photos and videos. You can create favorites, and you can have it automatically find faces and tag your photos with names and places. If you have GPS data on your images, it will know where the photos are from, and if you just click on that place, you'll see all the photos that were taken at that location. So really nice filtering options. It'll even try to identify things, like here it's found water, birds, and the sea. It'll sort by date and so on. So it just gives you some great ways to try to find your photos. And of course, there is a search function. If I type in owl, I should have some photos of owls. Yes, and there you go. Here are some owl photos. So, and it works quickly too. I've tried others that if you upload too many photos, the whole thing just bogs down and you can never find your photos again. Now, the real usefulness, for me anyway, of this app is that I can transfer my files to my hard drive. They will automatically upload to this app, and then when I'm on the go, if I decide I want to edit a photo, I just have to find one here. If I want to edit this photo, all I have to do is click on the little export button, and then click more, and then click on Lightroom, and it will send it right over to Lightroom. I can open it up, use all of Lightroom's tools. Say I crop it to a square. When I'm done, all I have to do is hit the export button and export to files or export to camera roll. If I export directly to the camera roll, it will then automatically upload back to the cloud. So I will have a raw file version of it, and I will have the processed JPEG version. And so to me this is very cool, and there are other services I'm sure that will do it. And if you check out the link in the description of this video, I will put a link to a blog post where I will compare all of the major cloud services and how they stack up for uploading your photos as a backup. This has been Gary D. Tonicourt from morethanasnapshot.com, and I hope that you found this useful. Please remember to like and subscribe, and tell us down in the comments how you back up your photos.